Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, when Makkah Mukarramah was conquered, the booty was apportioned among the Quraysh. The helper said, "It is strange that the blood of the infidels is dripping from our swords still now, whereas our booty is returning to them." When it reached Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam gathered them and said, "What kind of a statement is this which has reached me from you?" They said, "We have said what have reached you, and helpers would not tell a lie." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Are not you pleased with it, that while the other people should take homes the wealth of the world, you should take Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam homes? If the other people make for a gorge or a pass, and the helpers go towards another gorge or pass, I will trade through the helpers' valley or pass." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2437.